Hello, children. This is Alkasha, and then today we are going to learn one of the very amazing and interesting chapter, numbers related to your math subject. All right. Okay. Now let's see different varieties of numbers which is shown in different ways. All right. Let's see the first one. That is, write the following numbers in words. Now, what you have to do, you have to write it down the numbers into words. What we have, the first number here, it is 512, right? So you need to write it down 5, F-I-V-E, 5, H-U-N-D-R-E-D, 100, and TWELVE, 12. That is 512, right? So, again, next we have 644. So, what you need to write it down? You need to write it down in words, right? So, SIX, 6, HUNDRED, 100, and 44. So, FORTY, 40. Then you have FOUR, 4. So, it is 644, right? Another one we have 916. So, what is the spelling of 9, children? N-I-N-E, 9, right? And then you have HUNDRED, 100. And then you have 16, SIXTEE, and 16. So, you have 916, right? Let's move to the next number. That is, write the following numbers in figures. So now you have to write it down the numbers into figures. Before we wrote figures into the words, right? Now, the first one we have is 25,361, right? So how you will write it down in numbers, students? 25, 25, and then 361, right? So it is 25,361, right? How you will know it is 25,361? You can count it from the first digit, that is unit, 10, 100, 1000, and 10,000, right? So it is altogether 25,361, right? Then we have another number, that is 581, right? So how you'll write 581, right? Then you have another number, that is 893, right? So how you'll write 893. It is very simple, right? You just need to write down the numbers by reading the words, right? Next you have next, arrange the following numbers in ascending orders. What is ascending orders, children? You need to arrange the numbers from the smallest number to the largest number, right? So let's see. The first number that you have is, it is 3,237. Then you have 3,218. Then you have 2,128. You have next 2,182. Now, let's try to find it out which is the smallest among them. All right. So, which is the smallest one? Let's try. The first one is 2,128. Another is 2,182. Then next you have 3,218. And the last one you have 3,237. Did you get it, children? Okay, let's move to the next one that you have 728, then you have 726, you have 284, you have 254. Okay, now let's try. Take your book and pen, pencil. Let's try together. Okay, so let's see which is the smallest number. Okay, we have 254 as the smallest number among them. Next you have 284, then we have 726, then you have 728, right? It is very easy to find it out. the smallest number to the biggest number by just looking at them carefully. Okay. Next, what do you have? Arrange the following numbers in descending orders, right? So what do you mean by descending orders? Just opposite to the ascending order. In ascending order, it is the arrangement of numbers from the smallest to the biggest, right? So in descending, it will be from the biggest number to the smallest number, right? Okay, let's see the first descending order. What you have, children? You have 312, you have 354, you have 497, and you have 455, right? So what is the answer? Which is the biggest one among four of them, students? See it carefully. Try to find it out. 497. It will be the biggest among them. The next biggest is 455, and next 354. Next you have 312, right? Let's move to the next number. That is 299. You have 290, you have 355 and 291, right? So which is the biggest among them, children? The biggest is 355. Then you have 299, right? Then you have 291. Then the last one is 290. Is it easy or it is very difficult? Very easy, right? You can do it very easily and score the marks during your test and exam, right? Okay. Next is you have addition. Okay. Now again, this is another very interesting thing you have to know. See, children, what you have to add them here. Look here carefully, all of you. See, the first one is 4 plus 4. When you add them up, what you'll get, children? You'll get 8. Then you have 3 plus 2, you get 5. You have 6 plus 3, you get 9. You have 2 plus 3. What you'll get, children? 2 plus 3, it will be 5. So, the total amount is 5,958, right? Then next you have 7,846 plus 6,462 plus 1,758. So let's see what you will get, children. What is it? 6 plus 2. How much it will be? 8, right? Then plus 8. How much it will be? 16. So 16 you need to put here 6. You need to take carry along with you 1. Then 4 plus 6, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. You have carry along with you, that is 16. Then again you put here 6, you have carry along with you 1. Then you have 8 plus 4. How much it will be, students? 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 plus 7, how much it will be, students? 20, right? 20, and then you have carry 1 along with you. Here some mistake is here, but it's okay. It will be 21. So you need to put here 1, and then you need to take carry along with you 2. Then it will be all together when you add 7 plus 6 plus 1. How much it will be? 14, and 14 plus 1, it will be 15 here. Okay, there are some error here, but you need to correct it here. All right. Okay, let's move to the next sum, that is subtraction. So in subtraction, you have again so many numbers. Let's see one by one. What is the first one? Children, see, when you minus 6 and 4, how much you'll get if you minus 6 and 4? 6 minus 4, it will be 2, right? Then you have 4 minus 2. How much you'll get? 2. Then you have 5 minus 4. You'll get 1, right? Then you have 9 minus 5. You will get 4, right? Then you have another sum, that is, look here, children, how you need to do it. Can you minus 5 and 8? Yes or no? We cannot minus because 5 is small number, 8 is big number. So you need to take carry or borrow from here 1 and then it will become 15. So 15 minus 8, how much it will be, children? It will be 7, right? Then here it will remain 0 since you have taken 1 already from there borrow. So it will become 0. So what you need to do now? Again, you need to borrow from here. It will become 10. 10 minus 4, it will be, children, how much? 6, right? How much it will remain here again? How much it will be? It will be 7. So 7 minus 6, how much it is, children? It will be 1, right? So now again we have 2, which is small number, and 9 is bigger than that. So what you need to do here again? You need to take borrow from here. It will become 12, and 12 minus 9, it will be 3, right, children? How much it will remain here? Before it was 5, and since you have already taken borrow from here, so it will be 4, right? So you will write here 4. Now the total amount is how much, children? 43,167. Right. So did you understood, children? Did you understood? Keep on practicing at home these things. It will become more easier to you. All right. Okay. Then next, what do we have? Okay. Now we have another problem, that is, we have one question out here. The Save More Bank has how much money? 4,378. Account holders of this 765 are children. Okay, so 765 of them are children out of 4,378. So what you need to do it here, how many account holders are adult? Now you need to distribute, you need to divide how many of them are children and how many of them are adult. Out of that 4,378 account holders. All right. So let's see how you need to find it out, children. Okay, now the total number of account holders are how many, children? It is 4,378. Then you have next, that is total number of children. How many it is, children? Total number of children, it will be 765, right? So in order to find it out, the total account holders of children and then adults, what you need to do, students? What you need to do? Let's see here. We need to subtract them, right? So let's subtract them and see. 4,378 minus 765. How much you'll get, children? Let's see. 8 minus 5. How much it will be? Take your fingers and count it. Minus it. Take your pencil. Let's try together. 8 minus 5. How much it will be? 3. Right. Then here 7 minus 6. How much it is? Very easy. 1. We will get 1, right? Here we have next 3 minus 7. Can we minus 3 from 7? No, because 3 is smaller number and 7 is larger number. So what you need to do? You need to take borrow from here, right? We just learned the sum. Okay, so from here you need to take borrow and then it will become how much? 13. So now when you minus 13 and 7, you will get 6, right? Then since you took borrow from here, before it was 4, now it will become how much, children? It will become 3, right? So the total number that we got, how much? 3,613. So the total account holders of adult was how much? Is how much, children? It is 3,613, right? So the answer is total number of adults are 3,613, right? Okay. Now let's move to the another problem. That is, the student bank receive how much rupees, students? 5,828, and gave out how much amount of money? 5,021. So what you need to find it out? How much money was left in the bank? All right, let's try to find it out. Student bank received how much, children? It is 5,828. Then gave out, how much they gave out of 5,828? They gave out 5,021. Okay, then what we need to do is, let's subtract it. You need to subtract them in order to find it out, the answer. All right. So, when you will subtract 5,828 minus 5,021, how much we will get, children? Let's see. 8 minus 1. How much you'll get? 7. Right? Then 2 minus 2. You'll get how much, children? You'll get 0. Now 8 minus 0. How much you'll get, children? You'll get 8. Right? Then the last one, 5. Subtract 5. You'll get 0. Right? So how much? The total money that was left in the bank, children? It is 807. Right? Alright students, see how many interesting sums we learned today about the multiplication, about the divide, right? And then what Miss told you, you need to keep learning the multiplication table, right? And then you have to practice every day, multiply, division, addition, subtraction, which is very much necessary for all of you, right? Okay, till then, all of you take care and stay safe. Miss will continue another interesting chapter in the next class. All right, till then, take care all of you. Thank you.